Today, I'll show you how to integrate Xero with Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get the official Xero integration up and running inside your Zoho CRM account. We'll move step by step at a relaxed pace so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to crm.zoho.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Zoho CRM credentials so you land on your usual CRM home screen. It's best to use an account with admin or setup permissions because installing marketplace apps typically requires the right level of access. Once you're in Zoho CRM, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This icon is your main entry point into the setup and configuration area. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This will open the settings page where you can manage various aspects of your CRM, including integrations, users, and customization options. Inside the setup area, you'll see a section related to the marketplace. The marketplace is where Zoho lists all of its extensions and third-party integrations. Find the marketplace option, and within that, click on the All section. This All view shows every available app and integration, making it easy to search for exactly what you need. Now, in the marketplace, look for the search bar. Click into the search field and type Xero. As you type, the list of apps will filter down. You're looking specifically for the integration that connects Xero with Zoho CRM. Give it a second to load the results so you can clearly see the Xero-related options. From the search results, locate the entry named Xero for Zoho CRM. This is the official integration designed to sync data between your Zoho CRM and your Xero account. Click on Xero for Zoho CRM to open its detailed page. Here, you'll usually find an overview of what the integration does, the types of data it syncs, and any requirements or limitations. It's worth taking a moment to skim that information so you understand what will happen once it's installed. On this integration page, you'll notice options to get started. Typically, you'll see a button labeled Start Free Now. Clicking this will begin a free trial or free tier, depending on your region and plan. This is a good choice if you want to test the integration, see how it fits into your workflow, and confirm that it syncs data the way you expect before committing to a paid plan. When you click Start Free Now, Zoho will guide you through the installation process, which may include granting permissions and connecting your Xero account. Alternatively, if you already know you want the full version and are ready to commit, you can click Buy Now. This will take you through Zoho's purchasing flow, where you can confirm pricing, billing details, and subscription terms. After completing the purchase, the setup will continue similarly, asking you to authorize access between Zoho CRM and Xero. Once you've chosen either Start Free Now or Buy Now, just follow the on-screen prompts until the installation completes. That's all there is to it. You've found the marketplace, searched for Xero, opened the Xero for Zoho CRM page, and either started a free trial or purchased the integration to connect the two platforms.